In a world full of supplements, your body does not need more noise. It needs precision. Introducing Belevels, where science meets nature, through doctor-formulated products designed to support real well-being. Every formula is crafted with purpose, high-quality active ingredients, and advanced forms your body can absorb. From better rest and balance, Belevels supports what matters. No exaggerated promises, just science working with your body. Belevels, a life worth living. Shop now at endnutrition.com and belevels.com.